In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Antigravity. Keeping Antigravity current ensures you get the newest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes. Before you begin, save any open work and make sure you have a reliable internet connection, since the updater may download files and might briefly pause the app. Start by opening Antigravity the way you normally do. Once the app is running, look to the top of the window for the menu bar and click Help. This is the central place for support and maintenance options. In that menu, choose Check for Update. Antigravity will quickly scan for the most recent release available for your device. If an update is found, you'll see a prompt to download and install it. If not, you'll get a message that you're already up to date. If an update is available, let the process run to completion. You may see a progress bar and the app may briefly pause while files are replaced. If you're asked to confirm, allow the installer to proceed. When the updater indicates it's finished, go ahead and close the update window or dialog as instructed. This ensures any background installer processes are wrapped up cleanly. Next, reopen Antigravity. Relaunching the app loads the new components and applies changes that require a fresh start. On launch, you should now be running the latest version. Many builds display the version number on the splash screen or in the Help menu under About, which is a quick way to confirm the update took effect. You also have the option to visit the official releases page at antigravity.google releases. This page lists the latest versions along with release notes and dates, which is helpful if you want to see what changed. Check the version number shown there and compare it to the version reported inside the app. If they match, you're fully up to date. If the releases page shows a newer build than what you have, return to the Help menu, select Check for Update again, and let it install. A few quick tips to keep the process smooth. Keep your device plugged in during larger downloads, avoid closing the app or shutting down your computer mid-update, and give the installer a moment after it says it's complete before relaunching. If the Help menu isn't visible, try maximizing the window or moving your cursor to the very top of the screen to reveal the system menu bar. And if an update seems stuck, close Antigravity, reopen it, and run Check for Update one more time. That's all it takes to update Google Antigravity quickly and confidently.